go. Let's go.
Swag it out on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I know what he said, though. What he said? Smackdown?
Good job.
Flip it up.
All right,
Go first. We're gonna do tag.
Hey, we got 60 bands on the line. Yeah. You know what time it is every time you strap it up, though.
Yeah.
Hey, I need that 60 piece.
I need it.
That sends you on a good trip on over there to Colombia somewhere.
They don't get that money. They don't get that money today, baby. Like, ooh, I love money. Hey, that boy 100 miles, though. Earl? 100 miles. He trying to hit somebody, too. You see how that walk-through be going? Yeah, boy. I couldn't be no receiver on the messing with Earl. Look at her. Look at her. We out here in this rain, though. We finna turn up out there today. Big play in the building, baby. Big players in the building. They don't need to rain no more after that. We don't rain no more after that.
Earl said, "Rock man, let's go ahead and have fun, man. Fly around, we play at 1 speed only. That's fast.
Yes, sir.
DB's on 3. 1, 2, 3.
DB.
Let's roll, baby.
Bad, baby. What's up, Big Tom? I'm good, chilling.
Hey, great year, bro.
Appreciate
Congratulations.
that. Appreciate that. Yup. Yo. Pro Bowl, baby, we here. Yo. I'm finna FaceTime the wife for the sideline. Yeah. And she answer. Oh, they didn't answer.
We gotta go secure the bag. Bag alert.
Bag alert. Bag alert. We gotta have it.
I'm in.
Hey, Alvin, nice drive.
I need the green. I need them reds. I need that white. Where that white at?
I got one right here,
I
though.
don't appreciate that. I need that white.
Tails never fail.
I'm right or left?
Turn cross field.
Oh. I got to run across the field now.
We beat the Lions.
Hey, stop that. Stop that. Y'all cheated us.
What?
Y'all cheated. Yeah, you going on that game. You boy had about 3 PPUs and a pick six? You going to lit that game, boy. That's your first one, too? Oh, the first one always hard to get to. I'm letting you know when T.Y. them get in there. Them boys, hey, I don't know who the other receiver is. Tyreek Hill. Oh, them rolling. Oh, Lord. You know what time they going. Them boys gonna roll on us. They gonna try to roll on us, bro. He been out low his shoulder.
They tripping, boy. By the time we get in there, they gonna turn up.
See now, hey, they better slow this jump down now. All right, now y'all trying to start beef. I'm trying to go out there and have a peaceful game. You know I'm mic'd up a little.
Yeah,
You know I'm mic'd up.
Oh, no.
On the fence. But we ain't doing nothing, we chilling. Big chilling. That boy tired, look at him. You need oxygen bag? Oh, you show it at the pool side? I'm telling you. What? T.Y. better slow down now. All he want to do is run goals. I'm one of that fool, boy. I know I couldn't play with him. I be turned up too much. You saw? Oh wait, I said I know you want to go out. You saw that second you cheat over. I said, oh, you see it now. What's that?
I was gonna get 3 all day today, and I was cramping. You feel me?